another thing to mention about this, Lobo Construction is really proud to let you know that we don't go back with the same product you have. The insurance company is only responsible to replace you and to only give you what you used to have. This is a 30-year shingle. If you can take a look at it, I mean, it was demolished already. So by the time we go back, we put Vistas, which are a 40-year shingle. Of course, this is a prorated shingle, meaning you have like a 12-year full replacement warranty on it, and then after that, it just prorates on what the usage of the shingle has been. But going back to this, we're going back with the 40-year shingle. They had a 30-year shingle on it. It's not much of a hail impact resistant. Vista now comes with a class 3 impact resistant on this shingle, and we're making it better. Now these Vistas are really awesome because it's a shingle that you actually are not, that they are not aged. Every shingle they have to age it, cook it in order for the asphalt to stay solid. These have polymers in it. Just look into these product Vista. You'll even find Nike soles, believe it or not. Nike, they're not giving me any money, by the way, for mentioning their name here, but it's just for you to know that we're going back with an upgraded shingle. That's what you as a customer should be looking for on getting your roof replaced. Don't find or look for the cheapest estimate. It's not about estimate, it's about a scope of work. Make sure the scope of work is rich. Yes, so your contractor has money to make money and also give you a good product, but also because you can ask for upgrades to your contractor. He cannot do it cheaper for you because the insurance pays for it, but he can definitely give you upgrades in regards of what he's going to replace your roof for. So ask for upgrades, make sure the shingles, the flashing is getting all replaced, all the caps, drippage, everything just goes back in with a brand new product on, and make sure you go with the insurance summary to line up every item that you may have questions on so your contractor can explain you.